Today, first grade for grammar, we are once again talking about present tense verbs. Okay, a couple things to remember. First of all, if we have a verb, which all sentences do, and a verb is showing some kind of action. So, run, that's action. Write, that's action. Call, that's action. Drive, my keys. I'm going to put them in the ignition. I'm going to drive. That's action. Type on a computer. Type. That's action. I have my scissors. I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut like you will in your Word of God for today. In your Christ light, you're going to cut the heart. Okay? That shows action. Now, if we want to talk about action that's happening right now, we say that that's present tense. So when a present tense verb is talking about one noun, it's going to end in S. Like Jane jumps. Jane jumps, the S at the end here, tells me that it's present tense. And Jane is one person. But when we have a present tense verb that's talking about more than one noun, or if it has the pronoun I or you, it's not going to end in S. It's going to just stay the noun, the verb. So if you look at this first sentence, Jane and Anne jump. Now, it's present tense, jump, and it stays as jump because there's two people there. The subject, the noun that it's talking about, is more than one. I wouldn't say Jane and Anne jumps. Jane and Anne jumps. No, Jane and Anne jump. Then remember that we also said that if it's talking about I or you, if it's describing I or you, it stays the same. It does not have an S. You wouldn't say I jumps. You say I jump. So let's keep that in mind as we're looking through this sheet today. We're going to do a little bit of it together. You're going to do two of them on your own. Let's get started. Number 1, Sam, to the lake. Hike to the lake or hikes to the lake? Well, what is the hiking? Who is it talking about? Sam. Is Sam one or more than one? One. So I need to have an S at the end of my verb. Sam hikes. Go ahead and put a cloud around hikes. And now we need to write it on our line. Sam hikes to the lake. Okay, number 3. Ken and Sal, a kite. Ken and Sal, a kite. We have make or makes. Who is making something? One person or more than one? Ken, Sal. That's two people. When it's two people or more, it's not going to end in S. That's what it said. Or if the verb is talking about the pronoun I or you. Ken and Sal make a kite, or Ken and Sal makes a kite. Two or more people, do not make it end in S. So Ken and Sal make a kite. Put a cloud around it too. Number 5, Dad, it go up. Dad see it go up or Dad sees it go up? Dad is the name of a person. One person or more than one? One person. So, is see going to end with an S or not? Yes. It needs to be sees. Dad sees. So S-E-E-S. Sees. You are responsible for doing number 2. Put a sun around it. And number 4. Put a sun around that one too. Okay? All right, so you're responsible for 2 and 4. You're going to put a cloud around the correct verb and write it in this space. When you are done with that, I would like you to go ahead and make sure that it's back in your Tuesday folder.